first-gen Mustang to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe, 289 V8 underneath the hood, equipped with power steering, C4 automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the chrome up front. Grille bright work. Got a medium dusty purple in color, black interior. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see the engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. American Racing, polished slotted wheels. BF Goodrich radial tires as we take a look down the passenger side. You can see it's free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Of course, bucket seats up front. Vinyl seat belts intact. 6x9 speakers in the rear deck. Kind of an aftermarket retro sound style radio. That is in working order. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. When you call in or email, as we take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper, taillight surrounds, dual exhausts. There also is a can of paint for some touch-up paint. I'll put that back in the trunk. You can go to the next owner. And once again, take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Let's take a look down the driver's side from the rear to the front. And again, you can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a touch-up here or there, small imperfection, but overall, exterior shows well in this car. Let's move on to the interior. We're going to start it up. Let's hear it run also here towards the end of the video. And if you stick around to the very end of the video, take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road. Kind of take a virtual ride, if you will. You can see the seats are free of rips, tears, holes. Seats are in good condition. In the still pictures, you'll be able to see the door tag. Also a VIN stamp on the fender is matching the door tag. You'll be able to see that all in the still pictures also. All right, let's fire this thing up. Again, 289 V8 automatic transmission, C4. Top of the dash looks good. I mentioned I did have the radio working. Looks like fuel gauge works. Oil pressure. Amp meter. And that was a cold start, so the temp gauge is working. I won't expect that to be up. Nice sounding car. Sounds like it's got a little cam to it. Slip around to the back here so you hear it run. Nice exhaust note. It does have headers and flow masters on it. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. If we get underneath the hood here, you're going to see a 4-barrel aluminum radiator, HEI ignition. I'm going to pause this 1 second so I can get this hood open, and we'll check out that engine bay. There we go. Good look at the underside of the hood. There it is, the 289. Again, equipped with power steering. There's the aluminum radiator. 4-barrel HEI ignition. Heater hoses look like they're intact. Newer alternator. Battery disconnect. Or it's in storage or in between drives. Good sounding V8. Sounds good, looks good underneath the hood. 1966 Ford Mustang Coupe. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1966 Ford Mustang in an eye-catching purple color. Good running car, starts right up and idles right away. Our turn signal indicators are working. Our gauges are working. Oil pressure is right in the middle of the gauge. Fuel is a little under half. Little vibration from the glove box there. Our amp meter is right in the middle as well, and the temperature is just above cold. Nice ride. It rides as a 66 Mustang should. Automatic right here on the floor, very easy to drive. Nicely, it looks like recovered. Nice bucket seats in this Mustang. Headliner looking good. Letting go of the wheel, this car stays right where you put it, doesn't pull to either side. Our wipers work. Radio in the dash. Also working. That has a cassette player. I have not tested the cassette player, but FM is working well. Our brakes are good. Really unique paint color. Definitely catches your eye across the road and across the parking lot. Nice rumble to this Mustang. Very nice riding car. Take a look at the pictures and read more about this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.